so allow us to ensure the safety of our colleagues and customers, you must first make an appointment. When making your appointment, please advise us if you wish to drop and go or use our designated customer waiting areas. Please ensure you keep to the appointment to help us control the number of people on site at any given time. Since we're going to disinfect your key, we'll ask you to remove it from other keys before you arrive. For our technicians to be permitted to work on your car, we must ask that you remove all personal items before you arrive. On entry to our retailer, please follow the customer guidance displayed. These will direct you to our entrance hand sanitisation stations and then on to your allocated service advisor. Please follow all of the one-way directions inside our showrooms. We have now installed protective screens at our service reception. Your vehicle collection time will be agreed if you have opted for drop and go. Our service advisor will take your vehicle keys, which will be wiped down with sanitizer and disinfected. We will then guide you to the exit and out through our one-way system. If you have requested to use a safe customer waiting area, we will guide you there. Please be aware there are no refreshments available in our customer waiting areas for the foreseeable future. Each vehicle that passes through the workshop will have all touch points sanitised at the start and at the end of the workshop process. All team members will be using the appropriate PPE for their and your safety. To minimise staff contact on your vehicle, we will be reducing the number of team members who would typically work on your car. We therefore won't be carrying out our usual service wash and vac. We will, however, sanitise all touch points. Once your vehicle is ready, your keys will be passed back to our service advisor, where it will again be sanitised and disinfected. If you have opted for drop and go, we ask you to please ensure you keep to the agreed collection time. There will be no physical paperwork. All paperwork, including a copy of your invoice, will be emailed to you. We are highly encouraging contactless electronic payment. However, if you need to pay by card, our card payment machines will again be sanitised and disinfected. Finally, we will guide you to the exit out of the one-way system and to your vehicle. We are taking our responsibility to protect you and our team very seriously. Thank you for your continued patience and understanding during these challenging times.